Are you looking to diversify your investment portfolio? Interested in exploring new avenues for potential financial growth? Well, look no further than the dazzling world of gold and precious metals. Investing in these timeless commodities has long been considered a wise move by savvy investors around the globe. In this video, we will delve into the captivating realm of gold investments, discussing why it continues to be a sought-after asset and how you can start investing in gold and precious metals today. So buckle up and get ready to uncover the golden opportunities that await. What is gold? Gold. The very mention of this precious metal evokes a sense of awe and fascination. But what exactly is gold? At its core, gold is a chemical element with a symbol O, derived from the Latin word aurum, and an atomic number of 79. It's one of the oldest known metals to mankind, captivating civilizations for centuries with its beauty and rarity. Gold possesses remarkable properties that make it truly unique. Not only does it have a lustrous yellow hue that sparkles in the light, but it is also incredibly malleable and ductile, meaning it can be easily shaped into intricate designs or drawn out into thin wires without losing its strength. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, gold holds significant cultural and historical significance across different societies around the world. From ancient Egypt's obsession with adorning their pharaohs in golden splendor to India's deep-rooted belief in gold as a symbol of wealth and prosperity, this precious metal has always held a special place in human history. Moreover, gold has consistently demonstrated resilience as an investment asset throughout economic downturns or market uncertainties. While other forms of currency may fluctuate or lose value over time due to inflation or geopolitical factors, gold tends to retain its worth due to its intrinsic value and limited supply. So why does everyone seem so enamored by this shiny metal? Stay tuned as we explore further reasons why investing in gold might just be your ticket to financial stability. Why invest in gold? Gold has been regarded as a store of value and a symbol of wealth for centuries. Its timeless allure makes it an attractive investment option for individuals looking to diversify their portfolios. But why exactly should one consider investing in gold? Gold acts as a hedge against inflation. When the value of paper currencies depreciates, the price of gold tends to rise. This means that holding physical gold or investing in gold-related assets can help safeguard your purchasing power over time. Gold is known for its intrinsic value and global acceptance. Unlike other investments that may be subject to economic factors or political instability, the demand for gold remains relatively stable across different markets and cultures. Additionally, investing in gold provides a safe haven during times of market volatility. When stocks are plummeting and uncertainty looms over the economy, investors often flock towards the perceived stability of precious metals like gold. Furthermore, owning physical gold offers you tangible ownership with no counterparty risk. Unlike stocks or bonds which rely on third-party entities fulfilling their obligations, having possession of physical bullion gives you direct control over your investment. Investing in gold allows you to diversify your portfolio beyond traditional asset classes such as stocks and bonds. By adding an allocation to precious metals like gold, you can potentially reduce overall portfolio risk and increase potential returns. In conclusion, Investing in gold offers numerous benefits including protection against inflation, global acceptability, safe haven status during market turmoil, tangible ownership with no counterparty risk, and improved portfolio diversification. Considering these advantages, it's not surprising that many investors choose to include gold as part of their long-term investment strategy. How to invest in gold and precious metals. Investing in gold and precious metals can be a wise financial decision, providing you with a secure and tangible asset that has stood the test of time. But how exactly does one go about investing in these valuable commodities? Here are a few key methods to consider. 1. Physical gold. One option is to purchase physical gold in the form of bullion coins or bars. This allows you to have direct ownership and possession of the metal, giving you peace of mind knowing it is physically within your reach. 2. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Another popular way to invest in gold is through ETFs, which are traded on stock exchanges like any other stocks. These funds hold physical gold bullion as their underlying assets, allowing investors to gain exposure without actually owning physical gold. 3. Mining stocks. Investing in mining stocks provides an opportunity for potential returns by buying shares in companies that extract and produce precious metals like gold. However, this method carries more risk due to factors such as operational challenges or fluctuations in commodity prices. 4. Precious metal IRAs. For those looking for long-term investment options with tax advantages, setting up a self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, specifically for precious metals may be worth considering. 5. Gold futures contracts. A more advanced method involves trading gold futures contracts on commodity exchanges. This speculative approach requires knowledge and experience due to its higher risk nature. When investing in gold and precious metals, it's essential to conduct thorough research and seek advice from trusted professionals who specialize in this field. The different types of gold investments. When it comes to investing in gold, there are several different types of investments you can consider. Each type has its own unique advantages and considerations that investors should be aware of. One popular option for investing in gold is buying physical gold bullion. This can include gold bars or coins, which are typically made from pure gold and have a specific weight and purity level. Physical gold can be purchased from reputable dealers or even online, making it easily accessible to investors. Another option is investing in gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges like regular stocks but hold a portfolio of physical gold as their underlying asset. ETFs offer the advantage of being highly liquid and allowing investors to gain exposure to the price movements of gold without actually owning physical metal. Gold mining stocks are also an option for those looking to invest in the precious metal industry. By purchasing shares in mining companies, investors can potentially benefit from both the rise in the price of gold as well as any operational successes or discoveries made by these companies. For more sophisticated investors, there's also the possibility of trading futures contracts or options on futures contracts tied to the price of gold. These financial instruments allow for leveraged bets on future price movements but come with higher risks due to their complex nature. The choice between these different types of investments will depend on factors such as your risk tolerance, investment goals, and personal preferences. It's important to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about investing in precious metals. In conclusion, investing in different types of gold investments allows individuals with varying risk tolerances and preferences access to this precious metal market. Each type has its own unique advantages. And considerations that need careful evaluation. Whether you choose physical bullion, gold ETFs, gold mining stocks, or futures contracts, it's crucially important to conduct thorough research, and seek professional advice. To make informed investment decisions. Conclusion. Investing in gold and precious metals can be a smart move for both experienced investors and those new to the investment world. Gold has stood the test of time as a reliable store of value, offering stability and protection against inflation. It has also shown its ability to perform well during times of economic uncertainty. By diversifying your portfolio with gold and other precious metals, you can mitigate risk and potentially increase returns. Whether you choose to invest in physical gold, gold ETFs, or mining stocks, there are various options available that cater to different investor preferences. However, it's important to approach investing in gold with a clear strategy and understanding of the market dynamics. Keep an eye on global economic trends, geopolitical events, and supply-demand factors affecting the price of gold. Remember that investing in any asset carries risks, including fluctuations in price. While historically gold has proven resilient during uncertain periods, past performance is not indicative of future results. Therefore, it's crucial to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. If you're considering adding some shine to your investment portfolio or looking for a safe haven asset amidst market volatility, exploring the potential benefits of investing in gold may be worth your while. So why wait? Start exploring the world of investing in gold today and unlock opportunities that could safeguard your wealth for years to come.